Hello friends, let's start some solving of percentage. First understand the concept what is percentage. Percentage means per cent, that is per 100, that is divide the number with 100. So when the solving part comes, first we have to see what are we supposed to convert. Here we have 32%. That means the percentage is either to be converted into a fraction, decimal or a ratio. So you solve it with me. 32% means divided by 100. Now reduce it to the lowest term. Divide it with the easy number, that is 2. 2 1s are 2. 2 6s are 2 5s are 50s are. It can again be redivided. 2 8s are 2 25s are. This is the least term that you can reduce to. So we can convert 32% finally into 8 upon 25, which is in the fraction form. You can also convert it into ratio form, that is 8:25, and you can also convert it into decimal form, which will be 8 divide 8 by 25. If we divide it, it will become 0.0. It will be 3s are 75 minus 5 52s are. So in decimal form it will be 0.32. So we got the three forms of answers from one percentage. In the same way we can solve with the other sum. Here it is a mixed number. First convert it into an improper fraction. 23 into 3 plus 1. It goes to 23 plus 23. 23 3s are 9 and 6. 69 plus 1, that is equal to plus 1, that is 70 upon 3. Now here it is percent. Percentage means divided by 100. So it will be multiplied by 1 upon 100. Cancel the zeros. Now see if you can reduce it more further. No, we cannot. So it will be 7 upon 30. This will be the fraction form. Now you can again, as explained earlier, it can also be changed into a decimal form or a ratio form. Ratio is 7:30 and decimal is divide 7 by 30 and you will get the answer. I am going directly to the next sum. 17 upon 25. Here you are converting a fraction into a percentage, so you have to multiply it by 100. So take it 17 upon 25, multiply it by 100. 25 1s are 25 4s are, multiply 17 by 4. Keep it easy. 7 4s are 28. 4 1s are 4. 5 6. So answer becomes 68. The last sum for practice is a decimal number. Remember, when you are converting a decimal into a percentage, first try to get out the decimal point. So it will be 0.43. If we can remove the decimal point, it will become 43 upon 100, because there are two places of decimal points. Now multiply it by 100. Cancel the two hundreds and you get the answer as 43. Easy and clear.